how to build a successful digital business working from home. I highly recommend you download this free book and mindmap, which shows you how to build a successful digital business working from home. How to build a successful digital business working from home. This is not a loophole that will be closed off and defunct in a few months' time. It is simple and consistent. You are always in complete control and are not subject to algorithm and rule changes by Amazon, Google, Facebook and the other major platforms. In fact, selling products and making money in this way has been working online and offline for decades. With this unique approach, it is now something anyone can do, regardless of experience or age. How to build a successful digital business working from home. Plus, if you are sitting at home looking for a way to generate some additional income, this is something you need to look into. Everything is explained in the book, so download it now. I highly recommend you download this free book and mindmap, which shows you how to build a successful business working from home, even if you have no prior experience. This is not e-commerce. You don't deal with suppliers, shipping, inventory, product creation or customers. This is about raking in large commission checks and scaling up to $1,000 a day and beyond, while simultaneously creating a real online asset that you could flip for profit. Most importantly, this is 100% digital, so the current situation going on right now really has no effect on this business model. In fact, all you need to do this is a laptop and your kitchen table. This is a very eye-opening book, and I highly recommend you get access to it now before they pull it offline. Successful home business.